work there.
Mm-hmm.
And then, we were thinking if Corey ever wanted to get Canadian citizenship, we get her to be a permanent resident here. And then you got to spend 3 years out of 5.
Then you get OHIP.
Yeah,
That would be an advantage.
yeah. I'd have 4 citizenships then.
Huh?
Yeah, so I've got British, Canadian, Australian, and then I'd have American as well. Which would be kind of
It's
good. I can
handy.
work. It's really handy.
Well, we have one advantage. Well, English have health insurance too.
Yeah,
So when you go there, you get health insurance. When you go here, you get health insurance.
Australia too. How does it work in Canada? Is it just pretty much if you get...
If you become a citizen, you're it.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. Yeah, that's a lot easier than the US.
US, God, some people pay $700-800 a month just for health insurance.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Well, that is utterly,
Yeah,
I'm glad we don't have that.
yeah, no, it's terrible. And the crime rate is probably, what, 10 or 20% of America, like Canada's crime rate? But 10 times less or 8 times less or something?
Crime rate,
Yeah, like the amount of burglaries and
I think it's about 4%.
4% of the US, is it? Yeah.
You can see that's not high, so that's not painful at all, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
A little bit tight.
Okay. Oh, geez, man. Oh.
Big breath.
Oh.
That's a very tight spot there.
Oh.
Yeah. Big breath. Yep, nice click.
Ow. Ow.
Did you feel the difference with this lot of breathing that time, with your jaw being released? Yeah. You could hear it, but yeah.
Still holding quite a bit in there. A lot of it's in this joint here. And then I can do it side to side as well. Breaking up that. This move here helps to prevent the accumulation of a lot of the acids that become crystallized and can make joints arthritic. And then just gently working with my thumb through here. Can you feel that spot just there? Yeah. I understand if you can't speak right now. You're doing very well. Relax and breathe.
H joint as well.
There is, yeah, that's. Yeah. So this joint and this joint are so important in foot massage. So again, I'm just going to stretch it. Work it. But again, I don't want to go too hard to start with. Because your feet are incredibly tight. Especially considering you're only, how old are you? 28 or something?
33.
33? Yeah. Yeah.
I've had a hard life.
Yeah, it shows up here. Well, if we can see if you can get rid of all this tension, it's going to just mean that the rest of your life is going to be a lot better. You don't want to build tension on tension, you know?
You need a hand?
Yeah.
Your mommy's not here, George.
Mommy!
My God, is that what you did to me, Brandon?
Yeah, well, I went a little bit harder on you, actually. He's a little bit sensitive. He's tighter than you are. Yeah, he's more messed up. Yeah, no, he's like,
All that tractor running.
oh man, his feet are a disaster.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thought you'd have some comments about that.
You might have to bleep out this and put on YouTube.
Oh, people love it.
It's the one where they mark, look at 3.33, watch this. You know? And then everybody's like, could I handle that? No, I couldn't handle it. Oh, I could, I love that. And you know, I can know, oh, look at the back, he's a mean guy. You know? That's right, I'll translate from Australian. Oh, that means thank you very much.
Oh, that's really uncomfortable.
We'll give you a little rest on that area.
That's fine.
Let's come to this more difficult toe. I wanted to get you started with a more easy toe, you know?
Thanks.
Just in case there's a feeling of discomfort, you know?
So tender. And then right underneath there too was another spot.
Yeah.
Right
Yeah, that's a
there.
common one right in there. This is the Achilles band here. That could also be playing a role in lower back stuff and everything. So the whole thing, it's not like always, ooh, one band is the culprit, you know? Be unlikely actually if somebody was just tight in one band and not in others at all. And I'm just coming in the back of that big toe. How are you going, Fina?
Okay.
Good. Nothing like a nice relaxing massage. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going deeper into
I'm
that.
gonna need one after this.
After the massage, that's nothing like a nice relaxing
Yeah.
massage.
Oh. It's that.
Okay. Just let her breathe into that. So tight in there and charged. Ease it off a bit.
Found that on myself yesterday. That spot right
Yeah.
there.
Powerful spot.
Right underneath there.
Mm-hmm.
Under that joint.
Yeah.